Greetings and welcome to Acholi Side TV. I'm Otunnu Brian with the breaking news. In a dramatic political development, former UN Under-Secretary General and seasoned diplomat Dr. Olara Otunnu has publicly thanked President Museveni for endorsing his nomination as Uganda's candidate for position of United Nations Secretary General. Speaking from his residence in Kampala, Dr. Otunnu described the presidential nod as a historic gesture that transcends domestic political divides.
Express my deep and sincere gratitude to the President and to the government of Uganda. I want to say and send out a big shout of appreciation to my compatriots, the people of Uganda, for their very warm expression of support, of solidarity, prayers and blessings. Thank you ever so much. I can assure you that not many greater honor than going forward into the world in the name of my beloved country, Uganda, and on behalf of my beloved compatriots, the Ugandans. I'm also very grateful to a lot of people around the globe, well-wishers, friends, colleagues, commentators, governments who have been expressing very warm welcome to this candidature, who have been expressing their support and their solidarity. My very, very sincere appreciation to all of you around the globe. In good time, I'll be able to say thank you, close the rain. Thank you very much. This group is in Kampala.
The renowned international jurist also placed his celebrated Otunnu formula at the heart of his candidacy. The formula, internationally credited with resolving a deadlock Security Council vote in 1996, is being revived as a blueprint for reforming global governance. Otunnu argues that his proven model of consensus building is precisely what the UN needs amid current geopolitical tensions.
By the grace of God, I think there are very few people who have had the good fortune to work as broadly and as deeply as the United Nations as myself, in all sectors of the United Nations. So a deep and very broad experience of working at the United Nations, leading at the United Nations. Then thirdly, I have a track record, a long track record of building consensus and of proposing innovative solutions in situations of crisis and deadlock. There are several examples which are in the record of the UN, including what is now called the Otunnu formula, which invented in 1981, which is actually what has been used since that time to select the Secretary General, including diffusing a major confrontation between the East and West at the time of Grenada. There are several examples.
Should he succeed, Dr. Otunnu would make history as the first Ugandan and one of the few Africans to lead the world body. His campaign message is clear: tested diplomacy for a fractured world. For now, Uganda watches as its son stands on the cusp of global leadership. Reporting for Acholi Side TV, I'm Otunnu Brian. Good time as we continue to track this story.